Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. This is just a very simple tutorial, so click on the start button, then you have to click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. You'll find one button on the right pane. Just simply click on that. So we need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our Windows, or in short, our Windows is updated. Once updated, close out of here and then try to install the Visual Studio again by this time. And for the second method is if you are using any third-party antivirus software like any of the Avast, McAfee, Malwarebytes, or any installed and used third-party antivirus software, then we can try to temporarily disable that because that might interrupt or block the installation process. So click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. Now here you can find that I am using the Malwarebytes. In your case, it could be any of the third-party antivirus software. Simply make a right click and then select quit. Now by that, you just have temporarily disabled the antivirus, so you just need to try to install the Visual Studio again. And for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD, which stands for command prompt. On the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. Now here in this block window, you need to type this command SFC /scan now. It's SFC /scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan. This will repair and fix for all system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. So while the process is going on, you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize it and then wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And afterwards, you need to try to install or continue installing the Visual Studio. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.